Hey guys, today I want to show you how to use text-to-speech in Capcut. I have my footage here and I'm gonna text-to-speech this sentence, click your text and click text-to-speech, and now you can choose your preferred voice. For example, I'm going to use Jessie.
This is my dog.
And now click on start reading. And as you can see, text-to-speech is right here, and now I'm gonna play my video.
This is my dog.
And that's it, you can play with it. And now I'm going to change another voice. Again, click on text and click on text to speech. And now I want to use Santa.
This is my dog.
Click on start reading. That's it, you can adjust the volume.
This is my dog.
And this was the easiest way how to use text to speech. Hope it helps guys, and see you next time.